We went to the Pamir Diner Afghan Cuisine in Surrey, BC. For starters, we ordered a huge potato Bolani, which is a stuffed bread with potato. For the main, we ordered the Pamir meat platter for three. It was a Monday morning and it was quiet, and we had most of the restaurant to ourselves.
It's on my YouTube.
This one now what you're doing.
Oh, no, of course I will show it.
I'll show it to Sharon.
Yeah, I like this.
Here is a part of the huge potato Bolani with chutneys and salad.
Highly recommend this place. What's this called?
Pamir.
Pamir, yeah. And what is this?
Afghan. This is a Bolani, potato Bolani.
Potato Bolani, just like the Pakistani aloo ka paratha.
This is
But the chutneys, yeah,
Afghan food.
super tasty.
Afghan food.
Thank you guys for bringing me here.
So cute.
This is the Kabab Platter for three. It includes chicken shish kebabs, beef shish kebabs, Kabuli kebab, that's 2 lamb shoulders and 1 lamb shank, served with baked Kabuli rice, Pakawras, and salads and yogurt dip. Everything was delicious.